everybody, to all our friends, our partners, of course to our chairman, Mr. Manuel E. Pangilinan. Thank you all for coming. It's a very exciting afternoon for Signal.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagpunta. And there's a lot more that will happen later on. You'll get to talk to, of course, our stars in a separate area. But for now, please enjoy the very short program that we have.
Buti hindi tayo pinag-grapa din. Ba't nag-grapa kayo?
Sir, gusto niyo ba? Wala nakalagay naman lahat. Okay na. But we're so excited about this, ma'am. And we just want to dive in what made us go to this direction of vertical entertainment and vertical viewing.
Actually, it was only last year, mga June 2024, when we got introduced to the vertical format. So I was actually in a conference, the biggest telco media conference in Bali, and I saw the numbers, how it was growing in China, how the vertical format was growing in the US, in Asia, in Southeast Asia in particular. And nung inaral namin, I felt that it was such the perfect format for this product that we have. Signal Play has actually been out in the market for 1 year already. But Signal Play carries linear channels, so the channels that you see on the Signal box are actually mirrored in the Signal Play app. It carries live content, it carries VOD or video on demand content, both international and local content. So this is the first time that we thought maybe it should carry shorts. Kasi lumalaki, di ba? Even ako, nanonood ako. Nakakahook. Dalawang titles sa isang araw. So it took us 1 year to build it, and I congratulate the team for building it. And ang commitment lang namin is that this is more than short videos. This is, we're giving you meaningful narratives that we've crafted for the Filipino audiences. Committed po kami sa quality writing, sa quality directing, at sa quality performances na kita nyo naman. So I'm very proud of these first 5. We will be launching more actually in the next few months. Because the goal is to scale. So for those of you who haven't downloaded, please download the Signal Play app, both available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jane. And of course, sir, my question is, yung mga technicalities ito, no? How do we download the Signal Play app? And of course, where do we find it?
Okay, so you'll find all of these 5 original Signal Play microdrama originals on the Signal Play app. So if you open your Signal Play app, may makikita kayo ng microdrama button doon. When you click that, you will see all of this content. So we built it out to really be the home of the Signal Play microdrama originals. And we also have partnered with Dashflix, who our guests are here today. We'd like to thank them for sharing their content with us as well. So we have a library of content from Dashflix for international microdramas na nandyan din sa platform. So it's really built for mobile. Yung format ko is vertical. Each episode is 2 to 3 minutes. So bagay na bagay talaga sa lifestyle natin ngayon na on the go, yung naghihintay ka sa traffic or naghihintay ka ng sakay, di ba? So tama-tama po yan sa lifestyle ng mga Pinoy ngayon. And we really built it out that way. So we're very grateful and thankful to the entire Signal team that worked hard on this product. As Jane said, it's a little over a year in the making. Pero we really wanted to make sure that experience, the user interface is very easy to use, napakadaling gamitin for all of our Filipino fans. No?
And ako, MJ, I'd like to acknowledge the content creation team, no? Kay Shena, kay Mr. Inigo Santos, kay Pete, kasi talagang inaral, iba po ang paggawa ng script ng microdrama, di ba? Bawat episode dapat may cliffhanger. So talagang pinaghihirapan, pinag-aaralan. So I'm sure even our actors and actresses really had to learn how to make it work for this particular format. So maraming salamat.
At saka ginawa rin natin very accessible, no, to majority of Filipinos. So lahat po ng titles dito sa Signal Play microdrama, yung first 5 episodes po are free. As you just go on the app, or sometimes you'll find it on our social media pages. And then if you want to access all of the episodes, it's as low as 20 pesos for a day. So very, very affordable. tamang-tama, micro din yung subscription packages natin para po mapanood ng lahat ng video.
Para sobrang dami talagang maka-access and ma-enjoy yung content. Ma'am, sir, thank you so much. But please stay on stage because now we will have the distinct honor of hearing from the visionary leader whose strategic foresight continues to shape the entire media landscape of the Philippines. Yes, indeed, I'm looking at you, sir. It is our immense privilege to welcome the chairman of Media Quest, Mr. Manny Pangilinan. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
It's an honor to have the chairman of Media Quest. Of course. So he's here for the photo.
Yes! Yes, and at this point, of course, may we ask everyone to get ready because this is the moment we're all gonna click flash. Please stand in the middle.
Medyo nahirapan po. Nagawa naman ng maayos. Actually po, mag-multi ka ng katagal-tagal po. Nakakapagod po yung mukha, yung expression lagi na lagi kong galit. Ayun na naman po, tapos yung init. Pero in fairness naman yung init. Hindi ka naman nangingiti? Hindi. In fairness naman yung init. Mainit talaga. Uminit din yung dugo ko. Effective nga. Nag-margita talaga ako.
Okay, last na lang. Ano yung, ikaw kasi Paolo na experience mo ng series ng Vertical. So, what's your difference?
Lahat sila may experience din na yung difference lang siguro yung yun nga, yung hindi ka pwede masyado magalaw. Unlike sa mga vertical, pwede mo kausapin nila sa kaliwa kanan mo, pwede mo lapitan. Dito, pagkakausapin mo sila, talagang iikot ka lang.
At saka yung lapit.
Yung lapit niya rin pag nag-uusap kayo, minsan pag pinagsasama kayo sa usap kayo, sobrang lapit talaga.
Ikaw, Dan.
Go. Hindi ka nahirapan. Hindi naman ako hirapan. Yung init lang talaga. Tsaka yung sabunutan natin, ang hirap dahil nakatakong ako. Tapos yung control, kasi baka masaktan talaga kita. And ano pa ba? Yung talagang hirapan ako sa facial expression, yung lagi kong nakakunot ng noo. Tapos, isang
Sinabihan ka ba na gano'n yung character?
Opo, maldita po talaga. Salbahe. War freak. But demure.
Alright, but how familiar were you with the process nung filming? Matagal ba siyang ginawa or mabilis lang?
Actually, mabilis lang po.
3 days. Only 3 days. Parang full-blown film na siya. Paano pala siya, na-explain ba sa inyo kung paano siya hinati-hati? Kasi I've seen na medyo marami siyang episodes.
Yeah, meron naman po kami parang may sequence guide naman po kami. So, parang guided po kami if ever kung saan may hook dapat yung So, may mga stopping point po kami kung kailan may hook face na stop lang, no lines, and anything, just facial expression. So, dun po nalalaman namin na okay, ito yung end point ng first episode. And second episode. Kasi guided po kami with the directors din po.
Alright, and ikaw naman medyo may experience ka na rin sa mga short series, no? ABS. In ABS. Yes. But this one, yung execution niya, is it similar? Is it quite similar? Or
Similar lang naman, pero yun nga lang, yung frame lang talaga. Kasi ibig na parang paganito yun. So, yun, small movements. Pero at the same time din.
Ikaw, I've remembered you way back na, syempre parang, you're a very funny girl. How difficult was it to parang mag-perform as, parang 360 degree na medyo
Actually, hindi naman po parang pinaglalaroan ko nga po eh. Ang saya po nung nabawa yung parang Joker ka po, tapos ganun yung character niyo, parang ang bilis nyo lang ma-switch. Yes. Ano ko na nga po kasi dobre-dobre na po yung role ko na ganito. Yung maldita, maarte, habol na habol sa lalaki. Feel ko na nga po nawawala na po yung pagka-boyish ko. Habol na habol sa lalaki.
Parang pinag-aagawan ka dito.
Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi po namin pinag-aagawan sa tombuhay yan.
Not at all. Pero, of course, may romantic angle din.
Opo naman, opo.
Meron bang parang, kasi syempre parang, ito parang yung mga format niyo parang direct. So, do you have to have romantic scenes or scenes na medyo mature, if you can say?
Parang wala po dito. Wala.
So, medyo cute
Cute lang po siya.
Okay. Can you tell me what's the importance of the bakery without spoiling the story?
Yeah. Importance of a bakery? Actually, ako, for me, ang importance ng bakery for me kasi based on the story, somehow na hindi ko naman makwento sa inyo. Pero kasi yung struggle, nandun siya eh. So, meron kayong motivation, yung pangarap na dyan, yung puso, yung determinasyon. So, kaya, ang ganda ng Baker's Heart. Sana supportahan nyo kasi yung bakery itself kasi hindi lang siya basta alam mong kwento ng bakery na nagluluto ng tinapay, but then pag may nasunog, di ba? So parang sa buhay, pag nasunog, pwede kang bumangon ulit. Magluto ka ulit kinabukasan. So
isa sa mga ibang episodes may explain din yung ganong angle.
Yeah, merong parang pagsubok sa buhay na parang isang tinapay. Parang gano'n siya. So,
alright.
Sana.
Siguro pa-invite na lang for folks to watch your series.
Ayun po, wag mo niyo po kalimutan. Lagi niyo po supportan ng Baker's Heart sa Signal Play. Malapit na po.
Ayun po, huwag niyo pong paralagpasin ang Baker's Heart. Sana po panoodin niyo at sana po magustuhan niyo. Yes. Hello sa inyo mga kapatid. Ayan, iniimbitahan ko kayo na manood ng Baker's Heart. At saka teka, bago kayo manood, mag-download muna kayo ng Signal Play app. Kailangan nyo para makapanood kayo. Eh, syempre, huwag niyo makalimutan mag-subscribe para matapos niyo yung
How much yung subscription?
20 pesos lang po. Diba? Napakamura. Yes, a day. 24 hours. Sulit yun.
Thank you so much. Siguro let's start first with the show, with the series that we have. Can you tell us a little bit more about it? What is it all about?
Yung story natin. So basically, it's a story of rivalry between two sisters. And then, marami pa siyang plot twist, actually. Not just sa aming dalawang mag-sister, but also kay Zion, kay Joem, kay Cedric.
Alright, thank you for the sense, of course. Can you tell us about your character?
Character ko po, ako po ang tutulong kay Mama Ann na alam niyo po yung seryosong sitwasyon, kinakaldan ko siya and mga yung pinapatigil siya umiyak, yung mga ganon. And,
Is this the first time that you've also done something vertical?
yes po. This is my first vertical.
Fourth time.
Fourth time. That's nice. This is your first time?
Yes po, this is my first time.
Okay. How difficult was it doing that? Because of course you're probably used to the landscape or horizontal shows. But this time medyo vertical siya.
Yeah, so medyo mahirap po na kailangan po siksik kami ng konti kasi para makita sa camera and medyo di rin po ako sanay because sa mga films po na ginagawa ko hindi naman po kailangan yung siksik, so medyo nabigla po ba ako yung na gusto po na bigla yung nagkaiba bigla yung...
And did the director specifically like tell you not to move as much?
Yeah, kasi like yung dapat pasok ka lang talaga sa frame. Minsan ganyan lang. Yeah, pag confrontation ganyan na. So dapat naglilista.
But can you tell us more about this part that is also in this particular song?
Sorry?
Sino singing kasama ng stars?
Okay. Si Ate Dimple, Cedric Juan, Zion Cruz, Joy Bascon, and si Miss Glenda. Mama Glenda, yeah.
Is this the first time that you have worked with them?
Yes, with the veterans, yeah. At syempre, award-winning, ano natin to, child actor.
But can you tell us the experience of how you did? I mean, in the series, of course, hindi ka naman din parang new person.
Yeah.
Diba? Medyo kailangan mo parang you're at par with, of course, the veterans. How difficult was that process?
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, mahirap talaga siya. But syempre, with the help of Direk Ryan and Direk Crisanto, so nabigyan justice naman natin si Florence Chu, which is my role dito sa series.
Naging ka ba nag-workshop din?
Yeah, under Direk Ryan Carlos, yeah. And MQuest.
Okay. And under MQAA.
Yeah, MKA. I think we met during the workshop.
I'm so glad na parang meron ng parang product yung mismo workshop na yun.
Yes.
Nakakaano ba? How does it feel na parang may na-accomplish kayo as artists?
Ito actually ang pinakamalaki kong break talaga. And masasabi ko na I'm gonna be forever grateful for TV5 for giving me this chance again and for believing in me. And what's the question again? Sorry. Naano na ako.
So after na kayo yung product ng workshop na yun.
Oh yeah. Syempre, parang nakaka-proud din somehow in behalf of Direk Ryan na ito na yung mga artista mo nalagay na sa mga ganitong shows. Yun.
But in hindsight, na thankful ka na ba na parang nagbunga lahat ng paghihirap?
Of course. Syempre, without their guidance naman and help, hindi naman din magiging possible to. Since tatanungin din sila ng mga head, kumusta si Pearl? Pwede ba natin ilagay si Pearl? Marunong ba siyang umarte? Marunong siyang umarte. Kaya niya bang maging kontrabida o bida? So may mga dun din po minsan nila parang na-check or na-evaluate.
So parang sinadjust ka din nila?
Actually, that I'm not sure. Pero siguro like with Sir Jeff, yung manager ko, yeah, with MQuest.
That's so nice. Well, let's go ahead and invite everyone to first watch the show. Can you please do it?
Panoorin niyo po yung ICU. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo. And sana po sumama po kayo samahan niyo po kami sa show na ito, and sulit lang po kasi 20 pesos lang po siya a day, super mura. And maski po ako kapag bibili ko yun kasi po actually po sa kahit bata pa lang po ako na-hook pa rin po talaga ako yung sa Facebook, yung mga Chinese na na-hook po talaga ako, and nagsuspend ako ng time, hindi po talaga ako maalis unless na mahanap ko yung next episode. Yeah, so sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa ginawa namin.
Yes, guys, it's now available on the Signal Play app. So make sure to download the app first, and then you subscribe, and then 20 pesos lang a day for 24 hours yung whole 46 episodes ng ICU.
Pwede mo na mapanood.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.